Just like the Battle of Salamis, Captain. I have you trapped.
Here comes Themistocles. And that is the game.
Oh!
Hamodo! Foxy, that's why are we delivering all this treasure? We could retire to Lesbos with this amount of gold.
What say you, desert rat?
If that chest doesn't make it to Pompeii, this ship won't either. We crawl through Hades to deliver it if we have to.
Fair enough. Back to work, you slack blackos! Domestis! My trusted shield boy, get to it, huh? We've been hired to bribe Pompeii, to save a queen, and to win a kingdom. The usual fare for us mercenaries, huh?
Galley speed! Pick up the pace!
Steady now! Rocks and rubble ahead!
I'm not blind. I see these scaries.
Your third voyage? And already you bark like a command crew.
I enjoy watching spittle get caught in your beard, Foxy Das.
Let's not be thrown into the sea. That's no death for such a hero as me.
A real hero could swim to save himself. I see them. I'll not be sucked through a scupper for nothing.
Now you're just trying to impress me. Sails on the horizon! There! Those colors are not from Rome. What mess has this boxy queen dragged us into?
Ptolemy's ships. Sent by the Order of Ancients, no doubt.
What business do they have with Pompeii?
Pompey's armies will give Cleopatra the throne. They mean to prevent the alliance before it happens. We must hurry.
Poseidon's peace. The air is already choked with smoke. The seas will steam near the volcano. We should keep our distance if we don't want to burn.
Is that Methana? She hasn't burst for hundreds of years.
Wouldn't surprise me if she
Ready ourselves! Let's show these traitors they chose the wrong pharaoh!
Lead the rain of fire! Order the shields!
Up tempo!
Firing! 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 Firing!
Let's go! Galley speed! Galley speed!
We're under fire!
Steady! Steady!
Firing!
Damn it!
Firing!
Galley
I see ships bearing down fast!
Galley speed! Easy pace! Speed up!
Firing! We've got these Malakia! Target their rear wings! They're full of oil! They'll burn like camel shit! Firing! 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 Fighting!
Off the tempo!
Fighting!
Damn it! Carry speed!
Fighting! Steady, Senu! Steady! Steady, Senu! Steady! Fighting! Fighting! Steady, Senu! Fighting! Steady! Fighting! Fighting! Steady, Senu! Steady! Fighting!
Ah! That's the last of them down!
Yet still no sign of your faithless Roman.
Be careful with your jibes, Captain. Pompey is a needed ally, and no mean general. We didn't sail all this way just to offend him with insults.
I am who I am. I do not change for kings or queens. I left my wife and kids behind for the same reason. No one sane accepts me.
I accept you. We accept you. Alala!
These 100 nauta is enough acceptance for me. It's hard to say goodbye to those who don't accept us. But it is also the only way.
Is it? Pompey will be at the appointed place, off Terra's coast. Sail on!
Up the pace, brothers! Up tempo! Need more speed! Up the tempo! Speed up! More speed! Up the pace, brothers!
Hey!
Pick up the pace!
There! I see him! Pompey sails north!
Don't rush! There may be patrols ahead.
Up tempo!
Are you ordering me away from a fight?
Daddy, shit! Of course not. But I am not keen to die protecting a Roman. Especially one who gains for his own protection. You know, you really should join this trial. You'd fit right in.
We're not here to put...
Fire bombs ready! Call for them when we pull near! Firing! Firing!
Need more speed!
Keep back, Senu! Ready to fire!
Up the tempo!
Ready to fire!
Up tempo! Need more speed! More speed, Zeno!
We're under fire! Fire! Brace for impact! Ah, damn it! Brace! Fire!
Got us that time!
Firing!
Ah! Not good!
Brace for impact! Ah! Damn it!
Heave a galley speed! Got us! Down!
Steady!
Pompey is taking heavy fire! We must stop them!
Keep at the boxy bastards! We'll break them, or take them down with us! That was brave work! There might be more to you than royal courtesies!
Mind your tongue, old man, or you'll discover I'm better at sword play than sailing.
Galley speed, easy pace! Ah! Damn it!
They're going down!
And that's the game! Well fought! Now let's find this Netro Coites. I have never met a Roman general face to face before. Don't worry, I'll be on my best behavior.
Civil war in Egypt, and a mercenary trireme comes to my aid. In the midst of war with Caesar, I find it odd. Who in Hades are you?
Well, we could have let you die.
Pompeius Magnus. Greetings and friendship from Queen Cleopatra.
Cleopatra offers gold to win my favor once I've won Rome. Is that what friendship means to your queen?
Whose face graces that coin? Do Roman women receive the same honor? An alliance with Cleopatra is a union of true power. She wants more than an ally. She seeks a king.
A valuable friendship indeed. Agreed. My fleet will soon be ready for Egypt.